awake, put on your strength, O Zion, put on your beautiful garments, O Jerusalem, the holy city, shake off the dust and arise. Sing, O heaven, be joyful, O earth, and break out in singing, O mountain, for the Lord has comforted his people Israel, and he will have mercy on Zion. Awake, awake, put on your strength, O Zion, put on your beautiful garments, O Jerusalem, the holy city, shake off the dust and arise. I say awake, awake, put on your strength, O Zion, put on your beautiful garments, O Jerusalem, the holy city, shake off the dust and arise. Oh, sing, O heaven, be joyful, O earth, and break out in singing, O mountain, for the Lord has comforted his people Israel, and he will have mercy on Zion. Awake, awake, call on your God, he will give an answer. Call on your God, he will answer you. When you call on your God, he will give an answer. Call on your God, call on your God, he will give an answer. Call on your God, he will answer you. When you call on your God, he will give an answer. Call on your God. In that day, in that day, in that day will he answer you. In that day, in that day, in that day when you call on your God. Call on your God, he will give an answer. Call on your God, he will answer us. When you call on our God, he will give an answer. Call on our God. In that day, in that day, in that day will he answer us. In that day, in that day, in that day when you call on our God. Oh, wait! Sing, O heaven, be joyful, O earth, and break out in singing, O mountains, for the Lord has comforted his people Israel, and he will have mercy on Zion.